Hi there! In the following video, we would be happy to show you how the B connectors integrates to the Priority system in order to connect them both from Priority to the BCRM and from the BCRM back to the Priority in order that all of the Priority data, such as documents, customers, and items, will be synced between the two systems. So when a customer is calling you, you would be able to give him all of the support that he needs with all of the data that he needs, even from your computer, tablet, or smartphone. So basically, let's create a new customer in the Priority. I created him. His name is David. This is address, his email, and his website. In the company data, I can see the business ID in order for accounting purposes, and I can see he has two contacts, David and Rita. David is the CEO and Rita is the salesperson, and I can see their contact data over here. Of course, I can also sync for other custom fields that I could do in the installation part of the connector. So basically, if I'll go to the B, I'll look for David in the search part, and I would go inside of the customer card. So basically, I can see I have a David Cohen card, and I can see in the tags that he was synced from Priority. If I'll press on it, I'll see all of the Priority customers that were synced. I can see the main contact is David, this is his birthday, and the B also calculates his age for my comfort. This is the business ID, and this is the user from our company that will manage this customer. I see the address was also synced, and I can navigate to the customer in Google or in Waze. I can see the business phone and email, and I can see not only the business and the email of the main company, but also of all of the contacts, and I can interact with them even if I call from the system, if I connected my call center to the B. And I can also send them SMS or emails or WhatsApp or any social network that I connected to the B, such as Instagram Direct, such as SMS, email, chat from the website, and so on. Once I would start an interaction with the customer, I'll see here all of the last interactions, not only phone calls and phone recordings. If I connected my call center, I would see the Facebook and emails and WhatsApp interactions, and I can reply from the B itself. I can see here the tasks that are open for this customer, and over here I'll see the sales that this customer purchased. Soon we'll see that. If I'll go to the contact page, I would see the both contacts and the data of every contact that I have here. So now let's update. The customer, for example, called me and said, please update my email to the updated email. So I'll go for email edit, and I'll update the new email over here. So basically, I'm changing from info to contact. So basically, the new contact phone is here, the new contact email is here, and let's see what happens in the Priority. So basically, if I'll go back to the David Cohen card in the Priority, I can see his contact email was changed from info to contact. Of course, I can manage the security and the permissions of every user of mine who can change and update a card, and which data he can change. So this is basically how the Priority thinks to sync customers back and forth to the B and so on. Basically, the B knows how to connect all of your social lead advertisements to the B. So basically, all of the customers are getting inside the B, and I don't want just a lead to be synced into the Priority before is turned into an active customer. So basically, when you connect the B to the Priority, you can choose in which part of the customer process the customer is being synced into the Priority. In this system, only active customers was declared to sync to the Priority. So basically, you won't have garbage in your priority. You would have only the main customers that are relevant for you. So now we created an invoice in Priority. This is the invoice number, and these are the products. I have three of the first product and two of the other product. This is the amount, and basically I finalized this invoice. If I'll go back to the B and again search for David, of course I can also search for the um, number of the invoice. I can see in the latest sales that I have the sale from today. This is the amount of the sale without VAT, and this is the balance of the customer because I created an invoice in Priority. The customer balance in the B was synced also, and I can see it here. So basically, I can see these are the again the same products with the same amounts. The total payment is this, and I can see the invoice. I can see the source of it is Priority, and this is the invoice number. And now I can close it in the Priority or in the B according to your integration settings. Basically, the B also know how to produce invoices, and you can create other series of invoices in the B and other series in the Priority. Actually, the B gives you the ability to document all of the interactions that you had with the customer, voice and written communication, all of the customer's files. I can send emails, social messages with all of the existing channels such as Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram Direct. I can handle customer tasks, credit cards, billing, send form to the customer that he can fill data, and so much more. We will be so happy if you call us, and we would be happy to assist you to connect your Priority to the B, and that you would have a marvelous time integrating and working with both systems. I wish you a wonderful day and good luck. Bye bye.